We cannot emphasize more how much of a journey it was to create this project. This was 2 years of our lives. At hindi po biro yun. 2 taon po yun na ito po ang priority ng mga buhay namin. 2 taon po yun na ibinuhos namin ang lahat ng paghahanda namin, ng oras namin, just to make everyone proud. Finally, nandito na po kami sa harap ninyo. Nakatayo at naninindigan that we will not disappoint you. Nagawa po namin ang Encantadia Chronicles Sangre na ang Encantadix po ang nasa puso at nasa isip namin lahat. I know we have been saying that us actors, this is opening so much doors for us. At nagpapasalamat kami na nandito kami. Pero hindi lamang po ito para sa amin. We dedicate all the hard work to the people off camera. Sa mga boss po ng GMA, maraming salamat po sa inyo. To our PM, Ms. Camille, maraming